Hello friends, welcome all of you in our YouTube channel Knowledge Capture. As we all know, whole world is fighting against COVID-19 and yet there is no treatment available to cure the deadly disease. Scientists and doctors are exploring drugs, vaccines and multiple other treatments to fight COVID-19. One such treatment is plasma therapy. So today we will discuss about plasma therapy. If you have not subscribed this channel Knowledge Capture, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. First of all, we will learn what is plasma. Our whole blood contains red blood cells, that is 41%, and WBC white blood cells and platelets about 4%. This is the layer of white blood cells and platelets. And plasma, that is 55%. So plasma contains more in the blood and it doesn't contains any other cells. In the plasma, there is electrolytes like sodium, potassium, blood clotting factors, proteins, gases like carbon dioxide, and antibody proteins on which plasma therapy works. Let's learn about antigen and antibody. Antigen are foreign molecules which enters into the body and produces disease. It can be virus, bacteria, parasite, etc. Suppose this is the coronavirus which is antigen for our body because which enters into our body and produces disease. Each antigen has distinct surface features. This is the proteins on the surface of the antigen. This is antibodies that that is Y-shaped proteins produced by our immune system in response to exposure to any antigen. That antibody protein produced by plasma to identify and neutralize antigens such as bacteria and viruses and making bond with antigen. This is the bond between antigen and antibody. In short, antigens are foreign objects and antibodies are produced by our immune system in response to exposure of antigen. So let's learn about plasma therapy after clarify basic concept of it. This is the picture of process of plasma therapy. This is COVID-19 patient who had recovered from COVID-19 after 14 days of recovery. We can use his plasma to treat other patients. There should be not presence of any sign and symptoms of COVID-19 to the patient after 14 days of recovery. And other criteria are blood group should be matched of both donor and recipient. No any disease should be present in donor like HIV, tuberculosis, etc. Suppose donor fits in these all criteria and we are using plasma of this recovered patient. We are withdrawing the blood from this donor and by the process of plasmapheresis separating the plasma and using that in the recipient. This plasma contains antibody which produced in the COVID-19 patient in response to exposure of coronavirus. We are administering this plasma in COVID-19 patient as a therapy. That's why his body fight against coronavirus and get early recovery. Here we showed serum. It means it is a part of plasma which doesn't contain clotting factors as we have only need of antibody, so we can infuse only serum. So this plasma therapy can be used in two ways. First, for people under COVID-19 exposure like healthcare workers for the purpose of prevention, as we are administering plasma which contains antibodies. If they have antibody for COVID-19 in their body, there should be less risk to get infection. And second way, this plasma therapy can be used in the patient who get infection of COVID-19. We should use this therapy as early as possible after getting infection, therefore can prevent from critical condition of patient. This therapy not useful yet in critical patients, so we have to use plasma in earlier timings of getting infection. Those antibodies will start fighting against COVID-19. So this is the whole process of plasma therapy. Let's see history of plasma therapy. Presence of plasma in the blood was discovered by British scientist William Harvey in 1680. This plasma therapy was discovered by German scientist Emil von Behring in 1890. In the 2014, the WHO recommended the plasma therapy to treat Ebola virus disease outbreaks. China, where coronavirus outbreaks first emerged, had used this treatment to treat COVID 19 patients, and they showed improvement. Several countries around the world, including India, UK, and USA, have also started plasma therapy trials. If we talk about India, in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal gave information about positive results of plasma therapy on COVID 19 patients. After that, in Lucknow also got positive results. In this time, Health Secretary of Gujarat, Dr. Jayanti Ravi, gave information that they got positive results in the trials of plasma therapy, which was done in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Hospital in Ahmedabad. Recently, WHO had tweeted about plasma therapy that WHO continues to review the evidence on antibody responses in COVID 19 infection for the plasma therapy. After this arises the question, can plasma therapy cure COVID 19? It is a treatment until particular medicine or vaccine available for COVID 19 in the world. It is useful for the patients who admitted in the hospital recently, not yet useful in critical patients as earlier we talked about this. This therapy is like intermediate by which we can prevent critical conditions of patients. So this is all about plasma therapy. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Knowledge Capture and press the bell icon to get notification of all the videos. Thank you.